Run it, 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 run it. Alright, so as you can see, that's Hopper croaking to his favorite song. I don't know, with me making the sounds and that song turned on, he just always starts croaking. So it's kind of difficult to get him to do, but he'll do it in the right circumstances. And that's what you just saw was basically what a frog does during mating season. That's how they call a mate. So he's in his tank right now. That's all set up. Alright, so there's my white tree frog giving his mating call. Out.